Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thinking about making a non-fried snack, Momos comes to the rescue. To make chicken momos of around 20 to 25 numbers, I have taken 500 grams of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt and kneaded into a dough just like the chapati dough. The dough has to be kneaded for about 10 minutes at least continuously. This gives a perfect soft sheet for the momos. The water used should be lukewarm water, which works best for smooth and pliable dough, and the salt enhances the flavor. You can also add a few drops of oil that makes the dough more pliable and prevents drying out. The dough should be firm but not too hard. Too soft dough makes the rolling difficult. Resting the dough helps the gluten develop in it and so easier to roll and shape it. Next, about 500 grams of boneless chicken are cooked with a pinch of salt and drained off any water left over after cooking and also minced into small slices later. Meanwhile, 2 onions, an inch of ginger pieces, 2 to 4 green chilies, half a cup of shredded cabbage are sauteed until soft. Next goes in the minced chicken, a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1.5 tablespoon of pepper powder and a few chopped spring onion shoots. Now the dough has become quite soft and a portion of it is spread into a flat sheet. After resting, knead it for a minute again before rolling. The dough should not be sticky or too dry. Adjust with a little water or flour if needed. Small circles are made out from this sheet and the stuffing is placed inside the disked dough. The shape of the momos can be made according to your choice. Here I have made a very simple shape and the momos are then steamed for 20 minutes. Here comes the yummy snack. The outer sheet is very soft and the inner stuffing is too tasty. The momos is enjoyed with homemade momos dip made of tomato. Do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching my video. I'll meet you again in another video. Bye.